Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dorito seasoning. We'll dive into creating that iconic, savory, and cheesy flavor right in your own kitchen. You'll learn about the key ingredients, how to perfectly blend them, and the best ways to apply your delicious homemade seasoning to your favorite snacks. Get ready to elevate your snack game with this simple recipe. To start, you'll need 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, which provides that distinct cheesy flavor. Then, grab 1 tablespoon each of onion powder and garlic powder for aromatic depth. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika for color and a touch of sweetness, along with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper will give it a very subtle, pleasant kick. Once you have all your ingredients, simply combine them in a small bowl and mix thoroughly until well blended. For application, lightly coat your chosen snack, like freshly popped popcorn or tortilla chips, with a neutral oil. Then, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of your homemade seasoning over the snack, ensuring an even coating by gently shaking or stirring. This recipe is wonderfully adaptable. Feel free to adjust the cayenne pepper to your preferred level of heat, or try smoked paprika for a richer, deeper flavor. Any leftover seasoning can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 months, ready to use. It's also fantastic on roasted vegetables, baked potatoes, or even sprinkled on eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.